Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was just going through my eyeshadow palettes not too long ago, and I found this Colourpop Soul palette. I thought it was really pretty for summertime, and I almost went with the blue shades, but instead I decided to go with the browns, and those were really speaking to me today. I sat down with the intention of doing blue, and when I opened the palette, I was like, oh, these colors are just talking to me, and so I decided to go with the browns. I think this is a really pretty look. I really try to make things simple for you because I'm not the best at doing like blending and eyeshadows and stuff. I do the best I can, and that's kind of what like the audience I'm trying to like capture is the women out there who are maybe not be that artistic when it comes to your eyeshadow, but you really still want to be pretty and like do fun things, but you might not can take like 7 different eyeshadows and blend them together. And so I like to kind of stick with like one palette, make it really easy for you, and not do too many shades in one look, because you can still get a pretty look even if you're not the best blender out there. So that's kind of where I was going with this. But if you want to see this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, I'm starting off in the crease with that shade in the second row, third shade over, and I'm just putting that into the crease and just bringing it down. And then I switch brushes. This is the MAC 239 brush. This is a flat brush, and it works so well if you need to pack on eyeshadow. Like, it's the best brush that I own for that. You can pack it down and it just stays right in place. See how that, like a blending brush, like a fluffy brush is good, but if you really want that color to stay down and you don't want it to move around, use that MAC 239 brush and it's so good. And then I go back in. That's the Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. That's the brush that I use most of the time for my blending. And then to pack the color into the outer third of the eye, I'm using Makeup Geek's Small Crease Brush. And that's that dark brown shade in the palette at the bottom. And I'm just tapping that in and just packing it down. I know it looks a little choppy, but oh yeah, in the corner right there, I wanted to bring my like lighter brown shade up, so I brought that up just a little bit more. But like I was saying, I know that's a little bit choppy right there, but then when you are finished and you look up, it really doesn't look that choppy. So I really don't worry too much about it. I'm not going to overstress it. Now I'm going to go in with that MAC 239 brush and bring that light brown shade over a little bit and just blend that all together. I think that looks really good. And now I'm going in with that third shade on the bottom row and right in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to go in with the first shade on the second row right there in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to gradient my shimmer shades. So I kind of want like a shimmery lid, but in different grades. You know what I'm saying? I think that looked really good. It just made it all come together. And then I'm using a brown eyeliner. This is a MAC eyeliner. I think it's coffee. And just lining my waterline. I want like a little bit of a darker shade there today. I think that's looking good. And then I'm going to go back in with my Makeup Geek brush and just bring that dark brown shade down some. I messed up right there and I see that there's a hole and I need to go back and fix it. You can fix your makeup as you're going along, as you just keep an eye on it, but I needed that corner to kind of touch. I want your dark shade in the corner to touch the top and bottom, and so I had to go back and fix that. And then I'm going in I love this brush. This is the Sigma E36 brush, and I'm taking that lighter brown shade and just running it all underneath the eye. I love that brush. It's so soft. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. This has been like my favorite lately. I'm really surprised, but I've been like using that for basically all the time now. I'm loving it. And then I go back in with, you can either use a flesh tone here or you can use a brown or black, but I decided to go for brown today. And this is my eyeshadow. I'm going to finish my face and come right back. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.